Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about Wedge. So I will just click on this drop down arrow, and here you can see next option here is Wedge. So let's see how to draw this one. I will click this one to activate this one. Now here you can see it is asking about specify first corner point of Wedge. Okay, so I will just give this as a first corner point. Now it will ask about specify other corner point. So again I will just give this as a second. Now it will ask about what will be the height. So in term of height I will just give this point. Okay, now this is the wedge. Okay, now what if I just want to give a height on this direction? I will just activate this one. Okay, and I will start from here. It is asking about specify first point, so I will start from here, not from here. Okay, I will just give first this as, and then second this, and then third this one. Now the height is on this side. So now let's see more options. I will just activate this one, and I will just click here. Again I will right click here, and here you can see one of the option, that is length. So I will click here, and now it is asking about specify length. So I will just give a length, for example 25 unit. I will hit enter. Now it will ask about specify width as well. So I will just give width of 15 unit. I will hit enter. Now it is asking about what, height as well. So I will just give height of 20 unit. Okay, so this is the length option. Again I will just click here to activate this one. I will just click here to specify first point, right click, and here you can see it is asking about cube as well. There is one more option, that is cube. I will click here. Now you can see specify length of the cube. So I will just give 15 unit of cube. Okay, 15 unit of length. I will hit enter. Now you can see this is half cube. Now again let's see one more method, and that is 2 point option. Let me just draw here line. Okay, so now I will just activate this wedge command. Okay, and I will just give first point, then I will give second point, and then I will right click here, and here you can see one of the option, that is 2 point. I will click here, and then I will just give first point, and then I will give second point. Now the height of this wedge is equal to this line. Okay, so this was 2 point option. So this is all about this session. I will see you in the next.